Hi guys, I know it's been a while since we've done a video like this, but rest assured, we're trying our best in these unprecedented times. I'm Matt, by the way, if you can't tell from me wearing this mask and this hair of a situation that I have going on. But today I want to introduce to you the Volvo S60 CKD. That's right, this car is locally assembled and it's finally here. The previous batch was CBU units and it came all the way from the United States of America. But as you can see here, the specifications and all that, they are identical, as is the price at 296,000 ringgit. This is unchanged from before, and it's only slightly more expensive than the top BMW 330i M Sport, which also now comes with autonomous emergency braking. Now, in terms of specifications, all the major bits remain the same, so that goes for the R design kit and 19-inch wheels, as well as the plug-in hybrid powertrain. That's right, design-wise, everything is identical from before, from the headlights to the LED taillights, the trim and the gloss black inserts, they are all identical. And under the bonnet is that potent plug-in hybrid engine. This is a 2-liter twin-charge engine making 320 horsepower, 400 Newton meters of torque, and that is married to an electric motor that sits on the rear axle that makes 87 horsepower and 240 Newton meters of torque. Together, they make about 407 horsepower and 640 Newton meters of torque, and together with an 8-speed auto, it's gonna propel this car from 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. So if you ask me, that is a lot of performance for the money. And if you're not going fast, this car offers up to 50 kilometers of pure electric range, and the plug point for you to charge your car is right here on the front left side of the car, and it takes about 5 hours for a full charge.
As for top speed, Volvo will not be introducing the 180 km per hour speed limit for this first batch of cars, but moving forward, the second batch will have that cap.
On the inside, as you can see, things are pretty much identical. Again, no difference here. You still get the leather dashboard, you still get the R design steering wheel, and all the same black trim that you have from the CBU model from before. So in terms of fit and finish, I have to say it's excellent, because Volvo has been making, locally assembling a lot of Volvo cars for many decades now, and this, well, I don't see any panel gaps or anything that really sticks out like a sore thumb, so all is good. And they also retain the Harman Kardon 14-speaker sound system, the sunroof is still here, so all is good and well. Okay, back here, I think the number one omission for me would be the removal of the rear seat folding function. The CBU comes with rear seat folding, but this guy doesn't, which is a blow to people who are looking for a little bit more practicality. I think it's a standard feature, but for some reason they removed this, but it doesn't come with an official explanation. However, the center here still comes with a pass-through system, which is standard on all Volvo models anyway. So if you have a long item like a golf club or a skateboard, long items you can still fit through here, but I don't see this as a feature that a lot of Malaysians will use, but it's there nonetheless. Beyond that, the seats are fantastic. It still uses the same quality Napa leather and nubuck fabric with the complete white stitching, and that is the same as the CBU model, and I've got to say it's really one of the more comfortable seats I've been in a premium compact car like this. And I think beyond that, the only other removal that the salespeople mentioned to me was that you don't get birch light exterior paint. But beyond all that, it's pretty much the same car, guys. Also at the back, there's no powered tailgate, and if you open it, you realize that they have removed the anchoring points for the nets for which you tie down your luggage. The netting on the side here has also been removed, and the 12-volt socket is gone completely. Other than that, it's pretty much the same thing, and like I said, no power boot, so you have to do this manually.
For all the things they've removed, Volvo added one extra feature to the car, and that is Park Assist Pilot, which facilitates parallel and perpendicular parking. This comes on top of the existing set of safety systems, which include AEB with pedestrian, cyclist, and large animal detection, as well as semi-autonomous driving functions, making it the undisputed leader in safety for cars in this segment.
And as a final note, guys, the car still comes with the same warranty coverage, that is 5 years or 120,000 kilometers. And just keep in mind that the service interval is 20,000 kilometers. Also, a short little PSA for those of you who want to come by your favorite Volvo showrooms to see this S60 CKD in person. Number one, be sure to social distance. Number two, hand sanitizer and wear your face mask at all times. The showrooms would have their normal SOPs in place. They will also register yourself, so just be cooperative and be prepared for that. And we at the team just want to wish you guys a very happy Raya. Just be safe, and see you guys in the next one. Hopefully not too far or not too long after this video comes out. So until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye.